Hi, my name is Jarek. I am an embedded systems engineer in HEM. Yes, we've created the HipSOS power supply. You may already know it. Today, we want to talk about completely new device, OOR. But first, I would like to introduce our engineers. This is Max, our hardware engineer, and Paweł, who is the chief of R&D team.
Hi, this is OOR, our new headphone amplifier. It will let you enjoy music through headphones on a completely different level. Max is the lead designer of our project, and because of that, I'd like him to tell you a little bit more about it.
Hi, OOR is capable of powering most of headphones in the market, from sensitive IEMs to the really power-hungry ones. With OOR, you can power the headphones in two modes, single-ended and balanced. The standard 6.3mm jack connector is used for the single-ended mode, while the popular 4-pin XLR connector is used in the balanced mode. During the use of one connector, the other is no longer active. When using jack, the XLR automatically turns off. Another important element of the OOR is the gain switch. It has 3 adjustment levels that lets you tune it to headphones. Left position is for the most sensitive headphones, and the right position is for power-hungry ones. Internal preamplifier of OOR lets you regulate the volume level by potentiometer. We use a very well-known and appreciated potentiometer, Alps RK27 here. That way, we obtain brilliant tuning parameters. It's driven by the knob designed by us, and it's very user-friendly, thanks to the optimal size. To the left from the gain switch, there is input selector. You have 3 options: to the left RCA, to the right XLR, and standby in the middle. Important feature is that you can use the OOR headphone amplifier as the preamplifier. The OOR has XLR and RCA outputs located on the rear of the unit. The outputs are active together with the headphone output, which makes it possible to select inputs and control volume level of external speakers. You can also opt out of using Preamp function inside OOR and do it in external device like DAC, dedicated preamplifier, or any other device you want. It is called bypass function. A word of warning here. You have to remember about a very important issue. When using this function, you will fully transfer the signal from the input to the output. In the case of a very large signal, it may end up in destroying the equipment or damaging your hearing. Therefore, always turn down the volume of the external device before activating the bypass function. And at the end, there is a function especially for your visual sensations. On the back of the device, under the bypass switch, there is another potentiometer with which you can adjust the brightness level of the logo on the front of the device. Brightness control is fully analog. It was a real pleasure that I could tell you about OOR. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment section down below. We're here for you and for ourselves, because we love what we do. Let's stay in touch and in tune.